Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. This is an introductory video to the Quadcopter review featuring me, Pepe Prawns. So I want to apologize to you guys right off the bat here. This video's a little pushed out. I expected to have a new camera in by this time. My old camera has a microphone in the back and it's horrible. And I caught a cold, so I'm quite sinusy. But we need to get this introductory video out, get you guys subscribed because there's some great stuff coming. Matter of fact, come tomorrow I'll be getting a exclusive first one off the line quad that I will be getting the review out for, and you're going to want to see that. So you're going to want to be subscribed and you want to click that bell so that you get the message right away when this is out. So basically what I want to do is give you a bit of an overview of how the channel is going to work. I'm not a big fan of unboxing, so what I'm going to do is pull everything out on the desk. We're going to show you what's in it, what you need to know about what's in it, and what you need to do further. We're going to look a bit about what's inside. There are guys that are out there that are better at breaking down the serious nerd side of what these boards are and what they do. And I'm going to leave it to those experts. And at the bottom in the notes, I'm going to give you some information about those. I'm going to tell you what not to get there. Batteries, garbage, you don't want that. You know, that this one's a P&P, you're going to have to put a controller on there. I'm going to let you know that. The idea of this channel is more going to be for that guy who, you know, works a job. He's maybe got a couple hours when he gets home to fly. He's not going to have a lot of time for pulling out soldering irons, building things from scratch. And again, there are guys that are better at that, and I'm going to link those people in the bottom, and you can check out their channels. But what we're going to do is we're going to look at things that you can get, and you can get out there and you can get flying. Show you the minimal amount of things that need to be done with them to get yourself out there, but it is going to be mostly about what you can do. So as you can see here, we got lots of quads to review. That's why we're getting this introduction out, and the boxes are coming in. I'm paying for all these by myself. Anybody wants to send me stuff, feel free, but right now we're paying for all that stuff. We're going to look at battery charging systems. We got tools. We got stuff not to buy. We got things like storage systems. We got fire safety for our battery charging. You know, we got good things to buy. We are going to look at all size drones. I don't do toy grade, but we do, you know, 5-inch down to the small guys. We do tiny whoops. And I do long range hobby grade camera drones, you know, like the Bebops. We can talk about skins. It's a nice looking skin. It's my favorite. We can talk about how to get things like the Mavic Pro for a half price. Most of my long range stuff I do not pay full price for. You know, labeling systems, again, the tiny whoops, we're going to look at those. And we have all kinds of things that we're going to be looking at. And we're, like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways here. We're going to be giving away those model grade long range quads, camera quads. We're going to be looking at, you know, race quads. There's only so many I need. So a lot of these we take a look at, we get on the channel, and we make them into a giveaway. You're going to see fire safety tips. You can see I am the king of fire extinguishers. They're all around. And as you can see why, we've got batteries, and more batteries to test. And yes, before you troll me, I know that's not how you store batteries. That's how you store batteries, in a safe bag. But I got so many batteries to test for you guys that my box is full. So we have another box coming in bags to store them in. Hopefully they get here before my house burns down, but you know, these boxes are great for storing them in. You know, but again, I suggest, you know, don't just go with the box. Still use the bag. Bag's very important to help control fire, and keep those fire extinguishers around and let your family know where they're at. Klaus is going to stop by here and there, part of Team Pandemic. He got his name for just that. Chaos Klaus cannot seem to stay off the bench. He loves to come up. He loves to give me his opinion on products, and he will give you from time to time his opinions on products as well. Um, but he's a good man, and he knows his products, so he'll be right on top of those things for us. He likes props. He likes to chew on everything. So I've got lots of fields. I have access to a lot of them. I'm coming up here on a quick fields video for you, what fields I have access to, and some are temporary, as you'll see. One of my main long-range fields here is now being developed by the community, and that's fun. But right there, you can see my two fields for 5-inch and below racing drones, so I can zip around those trees. We're gonna have access to our long range still in that corner, which this is my long range trek. Pretty soon here, you'll see my spotter out there, but we can go out somewhere along. I think I've already been halfway. We can go about a mile or so out on that one. We drop the spotter right in the middle. That works out pretty well. But we've got lots of access to lots of places, and we plan on using them as much as we can. So again, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell below. And pay attention, because there'll be lots and lots of giveaways coming very quickly, and lots of exclusive reviews, we hope. We definitely got one, and we'll see how it goes from there. We'll see how Banggood and GearBest feel about giving us some stuff to review to give away. Again, thanks for your time, and this has been the Quadcopter Review.